Students, in previous video, we already taken the information about indifference curve. You know, indifference curves mean which shows the different combinations of two commodities means goods and services in which consumer get equal satisfaction. Means all the points on the indifference curve gives the equal satisfaction to the consumer. Then, what is indifference map? Students, today we are going to take the more information about indifference map. Indifference map means a group or set of indifference curves for two commodities that showing different levels of the satisfaction. Means it is family of indifference curves where consumers' preferences over all the bundles can be represented by a family of indifference curve. Means here it is a collection of group of two or the more indifferences curve which we called the indifference map. In the indifference map, it should be clearly understood that a higher indifference curve denotes means represents the higher level of satisfaction and lower indifference curve represents lower level of satisfaction. Being rational, a consumer always chooses a higher indifference curve. Why? Because he wanted to get the maximum level of satisfaction when other things are remaining equal. Students, such map we will draw in the following diagram. See here, this is a diagram of indifference map. If we observe this diagram, we will come to know in the diagram IC1, IC2, IC3 and IC4. These all are the indifference curve. Here IC4 gives the higher level of satisfaction compared to the IC3, IC2 and IC1 curve. In the same way, IC3 means indifference curve 3. It also gives the more satisfaction than the IC2, but it is lesser than the IC4. Likewise, IC2, which also gives the greater amount of this satisfaction than the IC1, but it is lower than the IC3. Means here the higher indifference curve always gives the higher level of satisfaction compared to the lower indifference curve. See here, the consumer is better off when he moves from a lower to higher indifference curve. See here, when the consumer moves from lower to higher, from IC1 to IC2, he get the more satisfaction than the IC1. If the consumer moves from IC2 to IC3, then he will get the more satisfaction from the IC3 than the IC2. Likewise, the consumer moves from lower to higher, then he get the more satisfaction. Means a rational consumer always prefer more of the commodity. Why? Because which offers him higher level of the satisfaction. Students, this is all about the indifference map. Thank you.